Hi, good evening, friends. I'm rajkeins and I am from Value Assignment Help. I am one of the founder of Value Assignment Help, and today, uh, this video that I want to take you through is basically for the international students who are approaching Australia or Canada, and they are in doubt about which country to choose. So, we all know that between Australia and Canada, choosing between Australia and Canada is going to be very tough for students, right? And both of the countries offers best education system, and I think students even have who have traveled abroad for quite some time, and they have become the preferred destination. Even if we can follow the data of 2019, both the countries have among the third and fourth destinations among the international preferred international destination for students. And both are Canada and Australia are both closely follow each other, with Canada among the fourth preferred and Australia being followed by in the fifth positions. And so in this video that we are talking today, right, we will be talking about what are the better insight for you to choose between Canada and Australia, what are the kind of benefits that you have between these two countries, right, when you choose, and which will help you up to pursue your decisions based on those factors. So in Australia, if we talk about Australia, they have got a flexible skilled immigration policies, and this is very impactful post you complete your education system, right? And because post you complete your education system, you need to be absorbed in the system, you need to be accepted in the society for getting a PR. And there are various in Australia and Canada. There's a lot of difference in the list, the kind of jobs that you can do to get get the PR. So I think this one flexible immigration policies for the labor market is a very fundamental difference between the Australia and Canada policies that you can opt for deciding which country you want to pursue. They have got Canada has got a low cost immigration cost, which is very much impacting the Indian students too, or deciding how they have to choose their career. Then they have got Canada has got a very ideal family settings, right? So if you find a good job, you can settle down. They offer good perks for people who are going to settle down in Canada. They have got a good friendly environment for politicians, because of the political environment that we have there, right? It supports Indians traveling to Canada, and they also have very low interest rates with easy PR system. Going forward, even if you see that the education system in Canada is a little bit simpler, easier, and not that you can say stressful like like you find it in Australia. So in Australia, it's like also has its pros. You get access to New Zealand in Australia because it shares the border with them, right? You have got a good public education system there. They have got a better economy. They have got a very organized immigration procedure. The PR score is lower than Canada, but it still has got a high salary for skilled laborers and skilled workers. So the kind of education or the kind of course that you choose, right, makes a hell lot of a difference for you to get a PR in Australia. And I think with the kind of experience that we have till now, I think because of the current pandemic and the current situation still prevailing in Australia, I think students should now opt for more of Canada, right? And they are also opting for Canada because the kind of I can say that they're getting bullied by the colleges who have taken the fees in Australia, and they're not returning them back, even though the students are not able to travel back. They've cut down their name from the register, right? And they're not allowing them any online classes. They want students to have the physical education system, but people who are stuck because of the immigration policies within the countries, and they are not able to get the refund. They're not getting to, they're not being, getting access to the classroom Moodle, so that and they're moving way behind in their assignments and tasks. Though VH, well, assignment help is always there to you to have any immediate assignment help that you want, but still students are facing a lot of difficulty for the colleges in Australia that they have got them admissions. They're not even able to pass their feedback. They are not able to get the money back. They're not able to take admission in any other country or colleges because of the system that they are stuck in Australia. But I wish that this system ends because it's a tough time for everyone. And I think with the students who are approaching and looking for better guidance on Australia or Canada, I think as of now, as per value assignment help, I think for the next 6 months at least, because Australia is stuck anyway till December 2021, you should be opting out for Canada, no doubt about it. And I think you will have a better choice, better place, and you will have better opportunities there. You will also be able to get a PR sooner than in Australia, and I think these things will help you out, I think, in the longer run. So I wish you all the best for people who are trying to travel down to this country, right, for higher education. And I hope this video has made a whole lot of a difference for you. Thank you so much.